blinking. So now you're gonna have put your pin number like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then press enter one time, and press 0. You see the light blinking, so let's press 0. So now the dot light stop blinking. So now you're gonna go ahead and push the button right here, the yellow one right here. And then you got 30 seconds. You can push your pin number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and press enter. And then you're gonna see a light blinks one time. And that's it.
Okay.
So you can close from here. And to open it, you had to use your pin.
And it's star pound is what you put in at
Right,
first?
right.